Good evening, all. So, welcome to Curiosity series. So, I think you all are ready for the quiz. So, like every game, you will first start with a demo quiz and followed by the actual one. So, without wasting time, so join the demo quiz, guys. So, we are just waiting for you. And the speciality of this particular Kahoot quiz or the Curiosity quiz will be this Curiosity quiz is more towards the JE oriented one. So we'll be including the non-verbal questions, the architectural awareness oriented ones, and also the mathematics too. And we guess the JE examination is so nearby, and this particular quizzes will help you throughout our preparation. I think Institute of Design is with you throughout your preparation, and it is as a support from our side. We have been come up with these kind of curiosity series exclusively for the JE preparations. So like I have mentioned, this particular curiosity will be JE oriented one, and I know there are students who are regularly participating in the curiosity quiz, but again I would like to convey that like every sessions, first we will give, or first we will start with the demo quiz, and then we will be only moving to the actual one. So how you can play for the newly joining uh, participants? So how you can play the game? So simple. You can see the game pin on the board. What you have to do is download the Kahoot app, or you can join via website www.kahoot.it and download the app and enter the game pin, and you can just enter into the gaming zone. And how you can play this game, the questions of this particular quiz will be visible on the YouTube live, and at the same time the options to answer will be visible on your Kahoot app or Kahoot website while you enter the game pin. And if you think which one is the right option, you can just opt the options and you can log the answers, and that's how you play the game. And in order to play this game, you can play it in different ways. One, you need two devices. So one device is you can watch the YouTube live for questions, and on other device you can opt the options. And in another way, you can use two tabs in the browser, one tab for the YouTube video and another tab for opting the answer to Kahoot.it website. And another one is you can use two browsers or the split screen option. In one screen, you can see the YouTube questions, and on another screen, you can opt the option. So this is how we play this game. Like I have mentioned, this particular game will be uh, JE paper oriented, which is a JE paper to architecture oriented papers. So we have included for this particular game, we have included non-verbal reasoning, architectural awareness, and the mathematics oriented questions. So, and hope you will enjoy this particular game. So like I have mentioned, the first game will be always demo. And hi Navsa, hi Vineet, hi Fevi, hi Anju, hi Rian, hi Anurag, Moksha, Ansh, Shiza, Faisa, God, Jashnu, Gopika, Arya, Nia. So hi everyone, and hi Jai Ho. Interesting name. So again, I know there are regular attendees in this game, and hope the Curiosity King is here and Siddharth is here. So good to see you everyone again and again, and now is here. And like I mentioned, this quiz is all about the JE paper 2 category of questions. And again, like every curiosity quizzes, the top three will get the prizes, and the ₹1,000 will be divided among the top three, the first position, second position, and third position. And as a part of the curiosity series, I know already you all know we have been, this is the 70th, 70, the 70th curiosity series. So 69 were before conducted, and you can watch those videos in our YouTube playlist. And yes, I think we can start with the demo, and after the actual quiz we will just wait for a few more minutes. And I think it's almost time to start the demo, and then we will wait some time for the actual one. So I will start with the demo one. So guys, please note that this is the demo quiz which is going right now, and only after the demo quiz we will move on to the actual one. Okay, so without any delay, we can start the demo one. So to know the interface, we are just playing the demo now. So I will start. So here is how the interface will look like. So this is the demo quiz before the actual one. You can see the name on the screen. The countdown begins. 1, 3, 2, 1. And here is the question. This is how the question will be visible on the screen, and the option will be also visible in your Kahoot app or Kahoot website. You can see the timer on the left and the number of participants attended or answered those questions on the right. And each option you will see the color code, the red, blue, yellow, and green, and also the shape code. So if you think a particular option is the right answer, you can opt that particular color code or the shape code. So that's how you answer, and there will be a specific timer also, dedicated time for each questions, and you can see the timer also. And this is yes, the time will end. This will be the 1 and 9. You can see D was the correct answer, and the 9 among you has opted it correctly. This is how the scorecard, our trump card, the scorecard, you can see in that way. The toppers, the top 5 on the table. This is how that will be visible. And yes, the next question, the double point ones. So double point ones, if you answer that particular question, then you will get double the point. So maximum in the curiosity quizzes, maximum for a particular question, you can score maximum up to 1,000 score. And if you answer double point question, you will get multiplied by 2. So if you answer if you answered if you have the 1,000 marks, if you correct, then it will be 2,000 in that way. So double point question. And guys, this is a demo going on right now. Actual quiz has not yet started. So again, the number, and the demo quiz only consists of 2 questions. 14 among you has answered it correctly. And this is at the end of the quiz. You will see a podium here. The toppers, the top 3. Here Arjun is on 3rd. And on the 2nd position, it's Vineet. And on 1st position, it's Shiza. Okay, so this is how it works. Hope and Fabian is to on 4th and 5th. So this is how the curiosity quiz works. So without any delay, we will move on to the actual one. Okay, guys. So just wait. I will start. I will begin the actual one. So this is how we will start. And guys, we are just starting the quiz, and stay. So we'll start. I will just share the screen. So we have just covered the demo quiz, and we will begin the actual one in few seconds. So I will just share my screen. Just hold on. Yes, the screen is visible. So just enter the game pin, guys. So this is the actual quiz game pin. So just enter the game pin and enter the game. We are waiting. So yes, Saket has joined, Arjun, Joe, Audi, Amana, Anurag, Nia, Gobika. Yes, yes, yes. I'm sorry for the delay, guys. So I can see the numbers. Hi, Anshu, Vivin, Rian, Vinny, Nafsa, Arya, Gauri, Siddharth, Jishnu, Hanna, Gopika, Nia, Anurag, Sai, Amana, Audi, Joe, Arjun, Saket, Shizaf, Shan, Nav, Mabruka, Christy, Noorjahan, Faisa, Lava, Adila, Shanaj, Hari, and Anju. So just waiting for. So the demo quiz has just finished. So we are just moving on to the actual one. The Curiosity King is here, and Shamika, Jaiho, Tumpi, and Safa. Guys, like I have mentioned, this particular Curiosity quiz is related in connection with the JE questions. So the pattern will be more towards the JE question papers. So you all know the curiosity or quizzes or the scoring here is all about how fast you opt that option and how correctness, how correct you are, and that will make your marks. So how fast you will enter the answers, so that much will be your score. So be quick and be correct. So that's the main thing. So accurate and also the speed. So that's the main criteria for the curiosity to win. So I think almost everyone has joined. So look at the game pin, enter the game pin, and yes, here is the game pin 6197283. I think without any delay, we will start. I guess everyone is present. So let's begin, guys. So I will start. Yes, Bahubali is here, and 42 are here. Let's begin the quiz. Here is the question. So this is the 70th Curiosity Quest series, and it is more like I have mentioned, it's JE oriented. So choose the answer figure which is embedded in the question figure. So yes, time's up. So option B was the correct answer. 8 among you has answered it correctly. So this is the first scoreboard of the game, and here it is. So Anju tops the table with 964 points. Vineet on second, me on third, Jaiho on fourth, and Siddharth on fifth position. So the scoreboard is open. Anju, Vineet, me, Jaiho, and Siddharth is on the table. Let's move on to the second question. Here is the second question for you. And the 3D figure shows the view of an object. Identify the correct top view among the answer figures. So time's up. So the correct answer was option A, and 12th was the correct. 12 was the 12 among you has answered it correctly. So A was the correct option. So let's move on to the third question. Or not now. Before that, we will have to see the scoreboard. Yes, again, Anju stands still on the first position with 1,928 points. Siddharth on second, Jaiho on third, Vineet on fourth, and Lava on fifth. And there's special mention about Adila is the highest climber here. And yes, that was the second question. And Anju, Siddharth, Jaiho, and Vineet and Lava tops the table. So here is a third question for you guys. So what is the full form of ASI? So time's up. So the correct answer was Archaeological Survey of India. 22 among you has answered it correctly. Then that was the third question. Let's see the scoreboard. And yes, there's a change in the scoreboard. Siddharth come to the first position with 1,945 points. Anju on second, Lava on third, Adila on fourth, and Sauparnika on fifth position. And I can see the new names on the table, and Lava has the highest answer streak of 3. So congrats everyone. Congrats Siddharth, Anju, Lava, Adila, and Sauparnika. So let's move on to the fourth question. Here is the fourth question for you guys. And yes, here's the question. So yes, time's up. So so the correct answer was Paramara. So the 8 MNU has answered it correctly. And yes, let's see the point table. After the fourth question, there's a change. Then again, Anju comes to the first position with 2,872 points. Siddharth on second, Lava on third, Vineet on fourth, and Adila on fifth position. So good going, guys. The point table is again changing, and Lava has a highest streak with 4 correct answers in a row. So congrats, everyone. So let's move on to the fifth question, and I think we are halfway. So find the mirror image of figure given below. So time's up. So I think that was the highest answer question. D was the correct answer. 30 MNU has answered it correctly. So well done, guys. And that was the fifth question. And again, these kind of questions are always a part of the JE questions. So let's see the point table after the fifth question. No change in the first 3 positions. Anju stands still on the first position. Siddharth on second. Lava on third. Adila on the fourth, and Sauparniga on the fifth place. And there's a special mention for now. Now is the highest climber right now. So that was halfway. 5 more questions more. There can be double point question. There may be a change in the point table. Let's see. 5 questions more. And again, guys, if you're loving the content, so if you have not yet subscribed THiNC Institute of Design channel, so do subscribe our channel for these kind of more contents related to so such kind of curiosity series, information videos, or up-to-date information regarding the examination. So do subscribe our channel. And also, in order to watch the previous curiosity series, we will have a exclusive playlist for you, and we will share that playlist in the comment section. And do watch those while your preparations. So that's it for now. Let's move on to the sixth question. Here is the sixth question for you guys. And that is a mathematics So time's up. So that was the mathematics questions, and we cannot think about a JEE question without mathematics, and that's why we have included the mathematics questions for this particular curiosity quiz. And 25 MNU has answered it correctly. So let's move on to the scoreboard. Here is the scoreboard. Is there any change? Yes, there is a change in the scoreboard. Siddharth come to the first position with 4,488 points. Lava on second, Anju on third, Adila on fourth, and Shisa on the fifth position. I can see new names on the table. And there is a special mention for Fev. Fev is the highest climber after the sixth question. 4 questions more. Let's move on to the seventh question without any delay. Here is the seventh question for you. That step construction is mainly used in. Time's up. So 26 MNU has answered it correctly. So good going, guys. So that was the seventh question. And let's move on to the scoreboard. Here is the scoreboard. There's a change again. Anju comes to the point table on first with 4,810, and Lava on second, Siddharth on third, Adila on fourth, and Chauparniga on the fifth position. Congrats, everyone. So it's getting interesting. So the first position is changing with every questions. So Anju and I think Siddharth. And again, and the variation among the scores are quite not that much. All of the top four is on the 4,000 range, and I think still there is scope. And three more questions more, so anything can happen. So let's move on to the eighth question. So here is the eighth question for you, and yes. Okay, time's up. So the correct answer was FW Stevens, and 18 MU has answered it correctly. And that was the eighth question. Two more questions to decide the winner now. So again, let's see the scoreboard. Yes, there is a change. Lava come to the first position with 5,472 points. Siddharth on second with 5,197. Anju with 4,810 points on third. Shisa with 4,427 on fourth. And Sauparniga with 4,272 points on the fifth. So good going, guys. Again, good play. It's getting interested. Two questions more, and winners cannot be predicted right now. So it's still exciting game. The point table is changing. The first positions are changing. It's really interesting to see. So let's see the ninth question. Here is the ninth question for you. And yes, okay, time's up. The correct answer was Galtaji. So 16 MNU has answered it correctly. So good going. And that was the ninth question. So let's see the scoreboard. And is there a change? No, there is no change. Slight change in the third position. Lava comes to the first position with 6,225. So great going. Siddharth with 5,904 on second. Bahubali, I think new name on the table for this particular game, 5,042 points. Shisa with 4,987 points on fourth, and Anju with 4,810 points on the fifth position. And that was the ninth question, and only one more question to decide the winner. So doesn't know who will win the game, and the tables are again changing and changing and changing. So let's see the scoreboard after that one. And after this particular question, it will be the podium. And again, if you're loving the contents from THiNC Institute of Design, and if you have not yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel. And also to watch the previous Qriosity series quizzes, so we will share the playlist. Also you can subscribe and click the bell notification for the up-to-date contents from THiNC Institute of Design. So up-to-date notification from design and architecture examination, and different content videos related to the examination. So do subscribe our channel for the what for the upcoming videos also. And yes, so that's it for now, guys. And again, so good going, everyone. And one more thing. So do subscribe our exclusive design Instagram page, the Design Ashan, for design oriented contents and updates. So, and also the link for the same will be shared in the chat box itself. So the last and final question, the 10th one. Let's move on to the last and final quiz of the Qriosity 70. Here is the last and final question, and here is the 10th question, and that is a double point. Here is time's up, and the game has ended with yet another mathematics question. And I think 20 among you has answered it correctly, and that was again a double point question. That means the point table we have to watch out. And I guess the next one is the podium. Let's see. And that was the final question of the Qriosity 17. And again, those who loving the contents, so do subscribe our THiNC Institute of Design YouTube channel, guys. And again, the playlist, and also uh, join the Design Action Instagram page, and also follow for up-to-date content related to design examination as well. And also we will come up with more architecture oriented contents in the upcoming days related to JEOs. So let's see the podium and who wins the game. And here is the podium. And on third position with 6,942, Bahubali on third. And on second position with 7,525, Lava is on second. And with 7,636 points, it's Siddharth comes to the first position. So congratulations, Siddharth, Lava, and Bahubali. And Shiza and Sai is on fourth and fifth position. So congrats, everyone. Congrats, Siddharth, Lava, and Bahubali. And guys, for the winners, so please do share the screenshot of your winning points to 8129111520 number will be shared in the comment section. So do send your screenshot to this particular number 8129111520 to avail the prizes, and also do send the details to send the cash prizes also. So Siddharth, Lava and Bahubali, congrats everyone, and well played guys. Again, from the beginning and to the end, it was really exciting and it is really interesting to play among you also. So everyone, thank you so much. We'll come up with an exciting quiz on the upcoming days also. And again, we will be coming with the next curiosity quiz based on the UC examination on tomorrow, back to back with curiosity quizzes again. Yes, because the next Sunday is the UC examination, and that's why we have been initiated such kind of curiosity quiz exclusively for the UC aspirants on tomorrow. So do participate and win, and it will be really exciting and interesting. So that's it for now. So see you, UC aspirants, on tomorrow quiz. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and good luck and good night.